I'm going to show you how to add an app or how to get to your apps on your Chromebook. To get to your apps, you're going to go down to the bottom left, click on the launcher, which is the little circle, and then you're going to click on the More button. If your apps have already downloaded, they are going to be in this area right here. You're going to have to scroll up and down to see more apps that have been downloaded. And you can see there are more buttons as well. If you know that your teacher has given you access to an app and you need to install it, you're going to find the Play Store. The Play Store has the triangle logo. And when you click on that, you will be taken to the school's Google Play Store. This is not the full Google Play Store that you see if you're on your own devices at home. This is what we have allowed for our students to download. If there are more apps that you're interested in, talk to your teacher and she will talk to our admin at our school to add those apps for you. Each grade level has its own set of apps that are added for them. So if you have, let's say Khan Academy Kids is not on your launcher down below where I just showed you, you will need to click on it and then you'll need to click the install button. If you have that green option to install, you absolutely can go in and install it. And it will take a few minutes, and usually when you log into your Chromebook, if we have forced installed apps, it just may take a little bit for it to install, just depending on your internet connection and where you are at. Once it's downloaded, you will not have to worry about it loading every single time you log in. This is a one-time thing. If it's already been loaded for you, and it's going to have this. It'll have an uninstall or it will have an open option. If you hit open, it'll open the app for you.